Hi guys, welcome to my channel Rupa Studies Med, an extension of my Instagram page, also Rupa Studies Med. A few months back, we actually went to Hyderabad and shot this vlog, so here it is. It was our first time to the city of pearls and we were there for our visa biometry. We decided to take the bus from the airport to the main city because it was much cheaper than taking the cab. We checked into our hotel room and then off to exploring the city because we just had one night to do that. I'll be honest here, we were really looking forward to tasting some Hyderabadi biryani, but the restaurants were closing down. To be on the safer side, I decided to have some Taco Bells, but my husband, being who he is, he braved to eat some street side food truck Hyderabadi biryani. There ain't much vlogs at the restaurant or us of us eating because, well, no phones while eating. Anyways, it's the morning of the appointment. We were both well dressed because passport picture has to be good. Also, thank God for my Telugu skills, we were able to use Uber and book autos to travel around the city. It really pays to be multilingual when traveling. And you guessed it right, ever since we found out we were going to Hyderabad, we had to make plans to visit IKEA. Also, it was too hot to go anywhere else. My skin was literally burning in the scorching heat, so yeah, IKEA it is. Since we were moving soon, we really couldn't buy anything. Also, we broke AF, so yeah. But it's still nice to look at and touch stuff we can't afford. Needless to say, the store was very well organized. It's very huge and easy to get lost in. So make sure to follow those arrow marks guiding you through all the departments. And this would be literally one of those times when following the crowd wouldn't bode well for you. We kind of walked around for 3 hours before getting tired and hungry, so off to the famous IKEA food place. Apparently there was some kind of offer that day and the meals were all literally half the price. Good food for good price equals a happy soul. Most of the food was fresh and the servers would actually heat it up for you if you requested them, and it was fun collecting different plates and placing them all in a small little food trolley. We paid a very less price for the amount of food we got and we were very happy. We had picked up some items that could fit into our suitcases and we headed straight to the billing area. We wouldn't say IKEA is cheap, it depends on who is buying. Someday perhaps IKEA would be cheap for us, but anyways, the stuff there was really good though. After IKEA, we really didn't want to roam in the sun, so we just packed up, checked out of our rooms and headed to the airport. And I'm starting to understand as to why the airport is far away from the main city, in Bangalore, Hyderabad, Kolkata. But still, it's a long journey. The airport itself was beautiful and worth looking around. I had some trouble checking in one of my bags, but eventually it all got sorted out. The husband's card was declined for entry for lounge access because the lounge was full. Can you believe it? So I also decided to not use my lounge access and just sleep awkwardly on the chairs until the boarding announcement, and that's it. Thanks for watching. Since it's free, it wouldn't hurt to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Help a friend out here, guys.